Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to read the use service light of your Seat Ibiza without a scanner. We are going to let our starter key into position. This is switched on, this is switched off position. This we'll need, we know. Now we push the trip button and hold it. And we switch on the ignition. Let it on, keep pushing. After 10 seconds, the first inspection light will be disabled. But if you continue pushing there, it will be the big inspection light or the service light will switch off after about 15 up to 20 seconds. This will respond in the screen, job's done. Then you can switch off the ignition, switch on again, and you're back on the road without a service reset light. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback om te zien on my channel. Done.